Gauss Math Contest, 1998, grade 8. Number 1. The number 4567 is tripled. The ones digit in the resulting number is, we use the 4, 5, 6, 7. Tripled, that means times 3. Ones digit, just use the 3 times 7. That's the 21. So the ones digit is the 1. That would be the answer E. Number 2, the smallest number in the set 0, -17, 4, 3, -4 is, that's so easy, just the -17. That's the smallest one. Largest one is the 4. Number 3, the average of -5, -2, 0, 4, and 8 is, average equals sum of the number divided the number of the numbers. For this problem, the sum of the number, that's the -5 plus -2, that means -2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8. Number of number is the 5. That's equal to 5 over 5. That's the 1. So the answer is D. Number 4, Emily sits on a chair in the room. Behind her is a clock. In front of her is a mirror. In the mirror, she sees the image of the clock as shown. The actual time is closest to. This is a mirror image. Let's draw the circle. So we will find what's the in front of her. Now look at that. So the mirror image, now this is the 12, 6, so roughly is the 2. So 6, 12, mirror image, the minutes hand will be here. Roughly it's the 10, so they are mirror image. And this one here is the 7 original, the graph. But here they should go here roughly 5, because it's the minute hand not in the 12, so roughly they will not exactly 5, will roughly the 5. So before, a little bit before 5, so that is the 450. So the answer is E. Number 5, if 1.2 times 10 to power 6 is doubled, what is the result? So it's just the 1.2 times 10 to power 6 double. That means times 2. Because the multiplication is commutative, we move the 2 to the front. 2 times 1.2 times 10 to power 6. So give us 2.4 times 10 to power 6. So the answer is A. Number 6, Tuesday's high temperature was 4 degrees warmer than that of Monday's. Wednesday's high temperature was 6 degrees Celsius cooler than that of Monday's. If Tuesday's high temperature was 22 degrees Celsius, what was Wednesday's high temperature? So Tuesday it was the 4 degrees warmer than Monday. So we put the Monday, we don't know the Monday unknown, we put X. Tuesday is the 4 degrees warmer. That means the X plus the 4. And Wednesday is the 6 degrees cooler. So Wednesday is the X minus 6. Now the Tuesday's high temperature was 22. That means the X plus 4 equals 22. That means X equal to the 18. X equals 18. Wednesday, 18 minus 6. That's 12. So the answer is C. Number 7, in the circle with center O, the shaded sector represents 20% of the area of the circle. What is the size of the angle AOB? We know that the sector area, if the angle here, AOB, that's AOB is the theta. So theta over 360 times pi r squared. That's the sector area. So that's the AOB area. They equals to the 20% of the total, the area of the circle. Circle area is the pi r squared. Now we can cancel pi r squared, and theta equal to 20%, 20 over 100 times 360. So cancel 1 0, cancel another 0, 2 times 36, that's the 72. So theta is the 72 degree. The answer is the B. Number 8, the pattern of figures is repeated in sequence. The 214th figure in the sequence is, the first is the white triangle, and then black circle, and then the white square, black square, and the white circle. Every 5 figures repeating. They ask 214th figure. We just use the 214 divided by 5 because every 5 repeating. So that's the 4, 20, remainder 14, 2, that's the 10, remainder 4. So remainder 4, because every 5 figure is repeating. Remainder 1 is the white triangle. Remainder 2 is the black circle. Remainder 3, white square. Remainder 4, that's our answer. That's the black triangle. That the answer is the D. But if remainder is 0, that will be white circle. Number 9, when a pitcher is half full, it contains exactly enough water to fill 3 identical glasses. How full would the pitcher be if it had exactly enough water to fill 4 of the same glasses? This is the ratio equation. We can use the ratio equation to solve that one. So the half of the pitcher can fill the 3 glasses, identical glasses. Now, how many full of the water can fill the full 4 glasses. Ratio equation inside times inside equals outside times outside. So that means the 3x equals 4 times 1 over 2. So cross cancel gave us 2. So 3x equals 2. X equals the equation both sides divided by 3. 2 over 3. The answer is A. Number 10. A bank employee is filling an empty cash machine with bundles of $5, $10, and $20 bills. Each bundle has 100 bills in it, and the machine holds the 10 bundles of each type. What amount of money is required to fill the machine? Now each bundle has the 100 bills. So we use the 100 bills, and the machine holds the 10 bundle of each type. So that means total will 1,000 of each the bill. So then times, what's the dollar? $5, that's the 1,000 notes. And also $10 and $20. So 100 times 10,000 times 5 plus 10 plus 20 equals 35. Total will be 35,000. So the answer is C. Number 11. The weight limit for an elevator is 1,500 kilograms. The average weight of the people in the elevator is 80 kilograms. If the combined weight of the people is the 100 kilogram over the limit, how many people are in the elevator? Let the X the people in the elevator. So the average weight of the people in the elevator is the 80 kilograms. So 80 times X, 80X, that's the total weight. And they said the 100 combined weight of the people is 100 kilograms over the limit. Limit is 1,500 and 100 kilograms over the limit. That means the 80x equal to 1,600. So to solve this equation both sides divided by 80. So x equal to 20. The answer is D. Number 12. In the 4x4 square shown, each row, column, and the diagonal should contain each of the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Find the value of k plus n. Now we draw the graph. We put the number 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 1 here. Now we put this column. So we have the 1, 3. We missing the 2 and 4. I cannot put the 2 here because already 2 here. So we must put the 2 on the top, and here is the 4. And also for the diagonal, here, diagonal, we have 1, 2, 3, just put the 4. And then for the second row, we already have 2, 4. We need 1, 3. 1 cannot be here because already have the 1 on the top. So we put the 1 at the last square and 3 is here. Now we do the top row. So already have the 1, 2. We have the 3, 4. 4 cannot be here because the bottom have the 4. So 4 will be here and the 3 will be at the end. Now for the last column, we have the 1, 3. Now I need the 2. I think we can find the answer because they ask K and M. K is here, N is here. So K plus N equals the 1 plus 2, that's the 3. So the answer is B. Number 14. Stephen had a 10 o'clock a.m. appointment 60 kilometers from his home. He averaged 80 kilometers per hour for the trip and arrived 20 minutes late for the appointment. At what time did he leave at home? Speed problem. So the speed equals the distance over time. Also, the time equals the distance over speed. Time, we don't know, but we know the distance is the 60 kilometer and the speed is the 80 kilometer per hour. So cancel 0, cancel 2. That's the 3. That's the 4. So the time is the 3/4 of the hour. That is the 45 minutes. So he arrived the 20 minutes late. That means he's the 10:20 arrived minus 45 minutes. That is the 9:35. The answer is A. Number 15. Michael picks 3 different digits from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and forms a mixed number by placing the digits in the space of 3 boxes. The fractional part of the mixed number must be less than 1. For example, 4 and 2/3. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest possible mixed number that can be formed? So, the largest number, the largest integer is the 5, and the fraction, the largest one is the 3/4. Minus smallest integer is the 1. Smallest fraction, the rest full number, is the 2 over 5, 2/5. Now integer part, 5 minus 1 is the 4. 4 and 5 LCM is the 20 and 15. 3 times 5, 15, minus 2 times 4, 8 equal to 4, 20, and 7. So the answer is the 4 7/20s. The answer is E. Number 16. Suppose that x star means 1 over x, the reciprocal of x. For example, 5 star, that's the 1 over 5. How many of the following statements are true? Let's calculate the first one. 2 star plus 4 star equal to 6 star. 2 star is the 1 over 2. 4 star is the 1 over 4. They equal to, LCM is the 4, and the first one will be the 2, and the plus 1. It's the 3 over 4. The given is the 6 star, 1 over 6. They are not equal, so that's false. The first one is the false. Second one, 3 star times 5 star equal to 15 star. 3 star is the 1 over 3 times 5 star, 1 over 5 equal to the 1 over 3 times 5, that's the 15, equal 15 star, 1 over 15. So second is true. Third, 7 star minus 3 star equal to 4 star. 7 star, 1 over 7 minus 1 over 3. LCD is the 21. 3 minus 7. That's the negative 4 over 21. Not equal to the 4 star, 1/4. So this statement is false. The last one, 12 star divided 3 star equals the 4 star. 12 star is the 1 over 12 divided 3 1 star, 1 over 3. We must times reciprocal. Fraction cannot do division. We times reciprocal, top, bottom, flip over. And cancel 3, that's the 4. 1 times 1, numerator 1. 4 times 1, denominator is 4. They equals the 4 star, 1 over 4. That's true. So the question, how many of the following statements are true? The second and the fourth one. So the answer is C. Question 18. The figure. Question 19. In the ring toss game at a carnival, there 3 rings are tossed over any of 3 packs. A ring over pack A is worth 1 point, over the pack B 3 points, and over pack C 5 points. If all 3 rings land on the packs, how many different totals are possible? How many different point total? So pack A give the 1 points, pack B give the 3 points. Peg C gave the 5 points. So if all 3 rings on the peg A will give us the 3 points. If all the 3 rings on the peg C will give us the 15. So 3, 5. And between the 3, 15, so we will see, because that's the 3 rings, 3 odd number added together, they can never be the even number. That means the odd number between the 15. So we put the 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me check the 3. We already saw 3 rings put on A will give us 3. When we got the 5, so put the 2 on A, 1 on the B will give us the 5. 7, that means the 2A, 1C, that's the 7. For the 9, that means the ABC, each one got the 1, add them together. So we can prove that all the number from 3 to 15, the total is the 7. So the answer is B. Number 18. The figure shown is folded to form a cube. 3 faces meet at each corner. If the numbers on the 3 faces at a corner are multiplied, what is the largest possible product? So we copy that the figure. That's the number is the 5, 6, 3, 8. And then another 2 number is the 7 and 2. We use the 3 as the base, the bottom. So we have this corner, this corner, this corner, the 4 corners. All the cube has the 8 corners. Base has the 4 corners. Top has the 4 corner too. But I write down 3, 7, 6, and 3, 7, 8, and 3, 8, 2, and 3, 6, 2. Now to the top 4 corners, we just replace the 3 with the 5, because when we folded the 3 as the bottom, top will be 5. So we have the same, the 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 8, and 5, 8, 2, 5, 6, 2. Now look at these 8 the numbers. So the largest product will be the 5 times 7 times 8. 5 times 8, that's the 40. 40 times 7, 280. So the answer is D. Question 19. A regular pentagon has all sides and angles equal. If the shaded pentagon is enclosed by squares and triangles as shown, what is the size of the angle X? Let's draw the pentagon first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we draw the around it, the square. And close that by the equilateral triangle. Now, they ask what's the x is here. Around this corner, that's the square. That's the right angle, that's the square. What's the one angle of the pentagon? We know for all the polygon, the sum of the interior angle equal to n minus 2 times 180. That's the polygon, sum of interior angle. For this, the problem, the 5 sides, that's the 5 minus 2 times 180, gave us 3 times 180, that's the 540. That's the sum of the interior angle. So for the one angle, we use the 540 divided by 5. That's the 108. That's the one interior angle, 108. And now we can find the x equal to the all around this point is the 360 minus 290, that's the 180, minus 108 equal to 72. So the answer is E. Number 20. 3 playing cards are placed in a row. The club is to the right of the heart and the diamond. The 5 is to the left of the heart. The 8 is to the right of the 4. From the left to right, the card is. So we have the 3 cards. The club is to the right of the heart and the diamond. So definitely the club is the last one. 5 is to the left of the heart. So the 5 to the left of the heart, 5 should be here. The heart should be here. The 8 is to the right of the 4. The 8 is to the right of the 4. The 8 must be here, right to the 4. 4 is in the middle. So we missing the number 5 should be the diamond. Now we got the ordered, so for the A, B, C, D should be the 5 of the diamonds, that's here. And the 4 of the hearts, 8 of the club. So the answer is B. Number 21. The number 315 can be written as the product of 2 odd integers greater than 1. In how many ways can this be done? Now we do the 315. We just need to find the factors of the 315. The first is the 1 times 315. Because 2 odd integers must greater than 1, this is not our answer. 3 plus 1 plus 5 equals 9, so they divisible by 3. We times 3, that will be the 105. cannot be divisible by 4, but it can divisible by 5. One's digit is the 5. 5 times 6, 3. 5 times 63. And after 5, not divisible by 6, but it divisible by 7. 7 times 45. And then another is the 3 plus 1 plus 5 equals to 9. It's divisible by 9 times 35. Divisible by 3 and 5, it must be divisible by 15. So 15 times the 21. Now there we get the how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is E. Number 22. A cube measures 10 by 10 by 10 centimeter. 3 cuts are made parallel to the face of the cube as shown, creating 8 separate solids, which are then separated. What is the increase in the total surface area? Let's draw the cube first. So that is the cube. It's the 10 by 10 by 10. That's the 3 side lengths. That's the cube. All side lengths are equal. So one surface area is the 10 times 10. That's the square area. It's the one surface area. It's the 100. But now we need to do is make 3 cuts parallel to the surface. So if I do the cut here in the middle, now after we do the cut it, actually the cube now is divided into the 2 rectangular prism. So increase the surface, that's in the middle one. That's in the middle when we cut it. So this side will be the one. So I do the smaller one. And this side will be another one. Something like this. The increase is in the middle. When we cut off, increase the surface. That means increase the 100 by 2. So 200, that's the 1 cut. If we do the 3 cut, so that means the 1 cut increase 200. 3 cut will increase the 200. That's the 600. So the answer is D. Number 23. If the sides of a triangle have lengths 30, 40, and 50, what is the length of the shortest altitude? Let's draw the triangle, right triangle. This is 30, 40, 50. That's the Pythagorean triple, 3, 4, 5 the times 10. And the height, if we use the base as the 30, So I label that the A, B, C. If I use the base, the BC, so the height will be the AC, that is the 40. If I use the AC at the base, the height will be BC, that means the 30. If I use the AB at the base, the height, now we'll do the from the C perpendicular to that, that's the H. How we find the H? We use the area. So ABC area equals the 30 times the 40 divided by 2, base times height, also equals the 50 times H divided by 2. So both cancel 2, and H equal to, equation both sides divided by 50. 30 times 40 divided by 50. Cancel 1 0. Cancel 5 and 30 gave us 6. So H equals 24. Now we have the height. Shortest height is the 24. The answer is B. Number 24. A circle is inscribed in trapezoid PQRS. If PS equal QR equal 25 centimeter, PQ equals 18 centimeter, and SR equals 32 centimeter. What is the length of the diameter of the circle? Let's draw the trapezoid. That's the 18, top the one, bottom one, SR, that's the PQ. SR is 32. And the leg is 25. This is the isosceles trapezoid. The two legs is equal. So how we solve the problem? So we just from the Q do the perpendicular line. From the P do the perpendicular line. Now the bottom one, so this part is the same as the bottom, is the 18. So 32 minus 18 gave us the 14. 14 is these two lines at the side because they are equal. Why they are equal? Both the triangle, they are congruent triangle because they have the three lengths are all equal. Now the 14 divided by 2 gave us 7 and 7. Now we suppose the height is the x. So Pythagorean triple. X squared plus the 7 squared equals 25 squared. If you know the 7, 24, 25 is the Pythagorean triple, you are immediately figure out x is the 24. If you are not sure, just do the math. X squared equals 25 squared minus 7 squared equal to the 576. Take the square root both sides. So that means that x equal to square root 576. That's the 24. So the answer is C. Number 25. A sum of money is to be divided among Alan, Bill, and Carol. Alan receives $1 plus the 1/3 of what is left. Bill then receives $6 plus 1/3 of what remains. Carol receives the rest, which amount to $40. How much did Bill receive? This problem, we go the backward. So the Carol got the $40. $40, what's the fraction of the $40? That's the Bill got the 1/3 of the remaining. So the Carol got the 2/3 of the remaining is the 40. So the Bill got the 1/3 plus the 6. So 2/3 is the 40. 1/3 is the 20. If you are not sure, you can do 40 divided by 2/3. That's all the remaining. Give us 40 times 3/2. Cancel the 2. That's the 60. So the remains is the 60, and the Bill got the 1/3 plus 6. 6 plus 1/3 of the remain. So cancel 3, give us 2. That's the 26. So the answer is A.